if you're planning a trip to Atlantic City and are thinking about staying at Ocean Casino, stick around. I'll be showing you a standard 2-queen room and share my favorite space at the resort, which might surprise you. Ocean Casino is the tallest building in Atlantic City and sits at the end of the boardwalk. It has more than 1,800 guest rooms, and like most casino resorts, has a pool, spa, and plenty of dining and entertainment options. The check-in desk is on level 11 with security near the guest elevators. Let's head upstairs and check out the room.
This is a 2-queen non-smoking room, and it's room 2544. All right, let's go check it out. So the first thing when you walk in the room is that floor to ceiling just about mirror. You've got your bathroom. It's a large sliding door. Got your water closet. With a frosted door for a little bit of privacy. So here you've got your shower. There is a little bit of a lip there. I don't know, 6 or so inches. It's quite large. Regular shower head. Does have body wash, shampoo, and a conditioner. You do have a nice bench there to sit on, shave your legs. So out here, there's a double sink, double mirrors, plenty of space on the vanity. You've got lots of storage on the shelf down here. Towels, they do have a hair dryer. And then they provide you with, in this case, 2 bar soaps and some skin lotion. And then over here, they have 2 hooks so you can hang your towels or clothes if you want to try and steam some wrinkles out. On the other side of the hallway is a closet. The lights turn on automatically, which is nice. You've got an ironing board, an iron. They provided me with 4 hangers. Michael will appreciate that they are regular hangers and not the little itty bitty ones that they use in some hotels. There's a safe and there's 2 drawers for storage in here. They're not super deep this way, but they are pretty deep top to bottom. So there's plenty of storage there. At the front door, they have a lock, one of the bar locks, in addition to a regular lock. And then they do also have a do not disturb and housekeeping button that will show outside, the obligatory exit map, and a peephole. The room is really spacious. We have 2 queen beds, a bench there. There is an extra outlet on this wall. Of course, some themed artwork for the Ocean Casino. On the bedstand, they have the phone, a clock radio. There are several USB outlets on here, as well as plugs on both sides of the lamp. So there should be enough for everybody. If you need more plugs, you can always head over to the desk. There's a large desk over here. Got a comfy chair. Then there are plugs and USB and USB-C outlets right here. There's a small cabinet with some shelves here. 2 more drawers in here. Well, it looks like somebody didn't pick up crumbs. Otherwise, actually, it's been really clean, but... And then a cooler. Yeah, that's nice and cold, so good for your drinks. It's got another chair here in the corner. Wastebasket, an outlet. And then in this particular room, this is our view outside. Can see the beach, the boardwalk over there. It's supposed to rain tonight, so it's pretty cloudy and gloomy, but it's still a nice view, and you can see the beach all the way down there. The air conditioner is over by the desk. All right, well, at first glance, I would say that the room is quite nice. It's clean. I like the aesthetic of it. It feels very modern, plenty of room to spread out, and there seems to be a sufficient amount of storage. Maybe a little short on the hangers. I'm here for one night, so it doesn't matter to me. I'll be living out of my suitcase, but if you're going to stay for multiple nights, that could be a shortfall.
And now let me show you my favorite part of the resort. But first, just a quick request to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does let YouTube know that the content we create here at Suitcase Packed Will Travel is helpful or entertaining. Now, let me introduce you to the park. It's 3 acres of grass, walking paths, and rocking chairs that overlook the Atlantic Ocean. They even have fire pits that are lit all year long. It's a great place to enjoy my morning coffee or just sit and talk with friends. Mike and I enjoy casinos, but sometimes I need a break from the sensory input. There's something about the relative solitude of the park and just being able to sit and listen to the waves that I love. And while I can definitely recommend the rooms, even if you don't decide to stay here, when you're visiting the casino, be sure to save some time to come out here and enjoy the park. This is Kathy from Suitcase Packed Will Travel. We'll see you in the next one.